Hi, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to transfer file with Quick Share in Samsung Galaxy A16 device. So here, first of all, I'm going to opening my gallery and opening this photo, for example. Now, I will share this photo to this device with Quick Share feature. And here's how to do it. After opening the photo, just tap on the share icon. And here you have to tap on Quick Share. And now we have to enable Bluetooth. So tap on Turn on Bluetooth. And now on my another phone, I'm going to turning on Bluetooth. And here we can see my device is showing. So I'm just tapping on my device. And here we can see Quick Share. This device wants to share one image with you. I'm just tapping on Accept to start receiving. Once received, I'm tapping on Open. And here, as you can see, I successfully transferred this image to this phone with Quick Share feature. That's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.